The real reason why the XRP Ripple price crashed 30%. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. I'm going to tell you guys why the XRP Ripple price is down currently, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction. And last but not least, I will tell you what to expect next for the XRP Ripple price, starting off with the reason why XRP is down. Earlier this week, we did have Fed minutes. August 16, it was released, and it shows that most officials still see need for higher rates. Some officials worry about over tightening. Fed see tighter bank credit conditions. Fed sees no recession in 2023 forecast. Very interesting. And then commercial real estate value declines is hurting some banks. Overall, guys, the Feds are very hawkish, and they do believe that we need one more interest rate hikes in November. With that being said, the next day after the Fed minutes was released, we did get information that former president is going to replace Fed Chairman Jerome Powell if elected in 2024. Let's listen up to what he has to say.
A second Trump administration, you have to put up with Jay Powell. What would you do about that? And would you think about reappointing him or speaking with him, or how would you handle that? Because interest rates can be important tools to stop inflation, but they can also destroy growth.
Yeah, I would not reappoint him. I thought he was always late, whether it was good or bad, but he was always late. I was surprised he was reappointed. Probably he got reappointed because they knew I didn't like him much. I felt that he was not good. In fact, I was very tough on him. And if I wasn't, I think we would have had much higher interest rates for much longer.
Very interesting, guys. Do you agree with Trump or do you disagree? In my opinion, I say we replace Jerome Powell. Hopefully this is a wake-up call and he takes action immediately and fixes things fast as possible. Now, moving on to another reason why the XRP Ripple price is down. Take a look at this tweet made by Elio Trades. I have to agree. It says BTC trade was crowded and euphoric after BlackRock news. So we washed out the leverage, triggered the normies, and then we hear ETH is getting the SEC's check mark. Very interesting. I would have to agree. This is another reason why the price of XRP Ripple did crash, because right now, as you guys know, what happened 2 months ago? XRP won the lawsuit. We were super bullish. And then next thing you know, BlackRock came out and said that they were bullish also on Bitcoin and that they applied for a Bitcoin ETF approval, which was even more bullish. And on top of that, we had a lot of institutions follow along and also apply for a Bitcoin ETF. So it did eventually wash out the leverage because we were stuck at 31,000. We have to admit, we did have strong resistance at 31,000 for the Bitcoin price. It wasn't moving. And next thing you know, we went downwards, causing what? Over $1 billion to be liquidated within an hour. And now we are seeing all these normies come out and say, I knew Bitcoin was a scam. I knew Bitcoin is going to 10,000. People are saying Bitcoin's going to go to 10,000. No, it's not, guys. Let's be honest. It's not going to 10,000. But this did cause the XRP Ripple price to crash. As you guys know, it was the biggest loser for the crypto market. It dropped 30%. Bitcoin only dropped 13%. XLM only dropped 20%. But XRP dropped 30%, which is crazy. Now, moving on to the next things of why it dropped. Well, we did have Chinese property giant Evergrande filing for bankruptcy on the day the crypto market crashed. And this is another reason why XRP Ripple price dropped 30%. The real reason. And then we had a cover up so people won't know about this news of Evergrande filing for bankruptcy. We got Elon Musk supposedly selling $373 million worth of Bitcoin that SpaceX owned. Supposedly, even though this source right here is not confirmed till this day. With that being said, those are the real reasons why XRP Ripple price crash, starting off with Fed now minutes being very bearish. And then on top of that, Bitcoin being very euphoric. It was super high. We had strong resistance at 31,000. Next thing you know, it dropped because it wanted to wipe out the leverage traders. Third reason is because Chinese property giant Evergrande files for bankruptcy, and they used Elon Musk and SpaceX as a cover-up. Now, with that being said, currently the price of XRP Ripple is stuck around, is stuck around 51 cents. It is sort of recovering. I wouldn't call this a recovery. Looking at the daily time frame, we are super bearish because we are below 50 cents. We're currently at 51 cents, so we're on the verge. I'm very nervous, but as of right now, we are bearish because we're below the EMA 55 on the weekly time frame. You don't believe me? Here we go. We still have almost a day and 12 hours until the weekly candle closes. As you guys know, tomorrow is Sunday and the weekly candle does close. We need the price of XRP Ripple to close above 50 cents because if it doesn't, well, it's going to get very interesting, especially next week. I'm going to explain what to expect for next week. But as of right now, a lot of traders are too scared to enter long positions, especially the bulls. They're not entering any positions right now. They're going to let the XRP Ripple price play out how it is. And if the weekly candle closes below the EMA 55, then we should expect more downside for the XRP Ripple price next week, meaning it can drop to as low as 30 cents. Overall, right now, the MACD is telling us to sell on the daily, and we are below the EMA 55 on the weekly. We have a lot of bearish indicators. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Now, my price prediction for the XRP Ripple price this upcoming week is going to be based off the weekly candle close. If we close above the EMA 55, which is 50 cents, well then I expect XRP Ripple price to recover. On the other hand, if we close below the EMA 55 on the weekly time frame, we're dropping to 30 cents. That's just plain and simple. So yes, my prediction bearish is a 30 cent XRP. Bullish would probably be around 60 cents, to be honest. Now, what should we expect from the XRP Ripple price? Well, you guys have to remember, next week is a very important week. Why is it very important? Well, we have BRICS Nation. They're having a summit in South Africa. Did you guys forget about that? Hopefully you guys didn't. Right now, the DXY is on the rise. We are meeting some resistance. It's struggling around 103, to be honest. Next week, we're either going to see the DXY skyrocket or we're going to see the DXY tank. In my opinion, there's a higher chance we're going to see the DXY tank. Why? Because BRICS Nation is announcing a new currency on Tuesday. This currency is going to be backed by gold in particular. As you guys know, BRICS Nation purpose is to de-dollarize. They're sick and tired of the US dollar. With that being said, depending on next week how things go and how the DXY reacts to the news, we should expect a lot of volatility heading into the end of August. That's all I'm going to say. With that being said, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. You guys have to understand, 1 to 2 years from now, the bull run will be here. So this is why I tell you guys, stop trading crypto. Dollar cost average, become long-term investors. That's all I'm saying. With that being said, you guys have a great day. If you made it this far, comment number 15. Put in the comments 15 if you made it this far. Peace.